What if I told you you don't have to be talented or charismatic to blow up on YouTube in 2026? Because right now, people are blowing up starting from zero. Normal people getting millions of views. And it's not luck, there is a pattern. I'm a full-time creator and I've been studying what is working on YouTube right now. And there's been some big shifts. The people that are blowing up now are not these polished influencers or celebrities. It's normal people, the same people you would see going to the grocery store. So today I'm going to share with you why this is happening and how you can do this too, so that you no longer have to rely on a 9-to-5 job. Your hobby can literally be your income. I haven't had a 9-to-5 job in over 8 years, and I only need to work 4 hours per week because I'm making passive income from old YouTube videos, and you can do that too. So why is this shift happening? Why are normal people blowing up on YouTube? Well, one big reason for this is because of the boom of AI content. AI content is usually very flashy, over-edited, super polished. So people are craving vulnerable people, real people sharing their journeys who are not perfect. Because if they need help with something, they can just ask ChatGPT. So the reason they're coming to YouTube now is because they want to hear from real humans and feel that connection, and they want empowerment rather than just how to do something. So the algorithm is now rewarding connection over perfection. So what are these normal people who are blowing up on YouTube doing differently? The first thing is that they are documenting. So they are sharing their own journey. For example, what I eat in a day, or building my business from zero. Many people are sharing their struggles with tech addiction, trying to go more analog, and sharing their journey. And it's not perfect, it's messy, and people love to hear that. One of the biggest questions I get is that I don't feel like I'm expert enough to be on YouTube. There are so many experts already on YouTube who know so much more than me in the niche that I want to be in. So what would I have to add? But that's the thing. They want to be with you on that journey as you're growing on that path. For example, if you want to be in the spiritual niche, talk about the spiritual initiations you're currently going through. What are the challenges? What are you learning? And people will respond to that so much better rather than you saying, hey, I am a spiritual guru, a spiritual master, and here is what you need to know if you want to ascend. The second thing is that they talk like a human. So it's not super scripted, it doesn't sound robotic or sounding too smart or formal academic language. They're just talking like you would talk to a best friend. And I think because of the rise of social media, we're more lonely than ever. So people really want that connection, especially with the rise of AI content. It's just like, where are the humans? The third thing they're doing is that they are posting consistently. So they're taking messy action. Maybe every content is not perfect, but they post anyway, even if they're feeling a bit down, and they share that openly, that, you know, I'm feeling a bit down this week because of this and this. And that just makes you come across as so much real. So they're not overthinking their videos, they're just posting consistently around 2 to 4 times per week. I'm currently posting 3 videos per week, at least that's a goal, on my 2 channels. And as they're posting, they're learning. So they're learning as they go, and they see which videos are resonating with people, and then they make more of that content. So what is the reason why these people are blowing up? What is so mind-blowing about them? And that's the funny part. It is actually not mind-blowing. That's why they like you, because they see themselves in you. So if you are just one step ahead or a few steps ahead of the people you're helping, then they feel hope. Like if you overcame this challenge, they can too. So how can you do this? Step 1, pick a journey you're already on. What have you recently overcome? Like a big challenge. Was it a health issue? Was it a spiritual awakening? Was it going from super cluttered space to now you're a minimalist and you feel so much more peaceful? It could be so many things, but think about what is a challenge that you have overcome and you're really passionate about it. Step 2, share your journey honestly. What have you gone through? What were the challenges and how did you overcome them? And what challenges are you currently going through? And I know it can be difficult because we're all going through so many challenges at the same moment. So if you have a problem thinking what your purpose is, what your niche would be, then definitely check out my purpose guide. It's free. I've put it in the description on how to find your life purpose in 5 simple steps. Step 3 is to keep it simple. You no longer need flashy editing. You don't need to hire some professional video editor. You can edit the videos yourself. I use Descript because when you edit, all you have to do is remove text, and it has an AI mode as well, so you can just tell it remove retakes rather than having to use some advanced software where it's more of a technical battle. Most light workers don't like super techie stuff, so don't worry. We're now in an era where you don't need techie skills to become a content creator. In fact, the only gear you really need is a camera or your phone. Step 4, show up consistently. So pick a schedule and stick to it, something that is realistic for you. So if you have a full 9-to-5 job, then you probably won't be able to post more than 2 times a week, but that is enough. And it's better to do that than some weeks you post every day and other weeks you don't post at all. YouTube likes consistency. You don't need to have 10,000 or 50,000 subscribers to start monetizing. Create a product already now. An online course, a membership, one-on-one coaching package. And if it is a mid-ticket to high-ticket product, as in not just like some cheap little ebook, then you only need a few sales per month to replace your full-time job. And if you no longer want the 9-to-5, that's the goal, right? You want to do it as quickly as possible. And if you want to learn how to sell a high-ticket program where you only need a few sales per month to replace your income, then that's exactly what we teach in Nomad Freedom Academy, and also how you can get good views on YouTube fast, so you quickly can leave the 9-to-5 grind. So if that resonates with you, then book a free business clarity call, link in the description, and there you will also get some more guidance on what niche to pick, so it won't be this back and forth of trying different niches. It's a 10-week boost camp, and I would love to coach you. So that's in the description. The opportunity now is crazy. Most people think that it's this big barrier to entry, that you need to be perfect and that it's so difficult to blow up on YouTube that many people don't even start. Meanwhile, normal people are literally blowing up on YouTube, and you could be one of them. In fact, I only attract new earth celebrities, people who are here to be the leaders of the new earth. So if you're seeing this and you're still here, it's a big chance that you're one of them. You have so much wisdom to share with the world, Lightworker, so really know that this is a sign if this resonates. Claim it in the comments. I'm ready to share my wisdom. And if you want to know the best business model for spiritual people, according to me, then check out my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Love you so much, and see you in the next video.